That'll be the title of the next one, eh? It'll be like, the BMW goes down again. No, I won't say that. Oh.
Leaves, pine needles.
Yeah, wet road.
Yeah.
I think our turn is on this hill.
Yep. No exit. Bullshit.
Yeah, we know different.
Oh, water crossing.
Sort of.
Yeah. What the hell? People.
Okay.
I can hear him.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. He's doing it every chance he gets.
Tractor.
Okay. He's trying to lift those on by himself.
Did you want to circle back and help?
This is a cool road.
Yeah. Found this by accident.
Like you've ridden it before?
Yeah.
Ah. I wheelied off the top of that hill. Oh no, you got lots. There's mud splats on yours too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good. Woo! Mud club.
Yeah.
What's he inspecting?
I don't know.
You're gonna have to teach me about gear oil sometime.
Hey?
You're gonna have to teach me about gear oil instead of chain lube sometime.
Oh, okay, sure. I was admiring all the mud. It looks like we've been adventuring.
Imagine all the work later when you get home now.
Maybe.
It was right around here I saw the bear shit.
Oh, great. I'll be looking at my rear view to see if he's chasing us.
Well, that's what I got thinking. It's like, I hope I don't have an issue and have to stop. Huh. This is a nice surprise.
Interesting. No fires.
Whoop. Oh, water crossing.
Water crossing?
Yep.
No, boy.
Damn it. Gonna get my feet wet.
Do you have the right boots?
Well, they're boots.
Is this an ATV trail or something?
Maybe.
Oh, I thought you said there was an ATV trail.
No, that was Duncan that said that.
Oh.
For his section.
Oh, okay.
This just showed up on my map as a road. An unpaved road. Interesting. Can't go that way. Oh. Well, this would have been nice to...
Oh, shit.
Ah. Thanks. Huh.
All right. It's all part of the adventure. Hey, just go up here where it's flatter.
Yep.
Need a push?
Oh, I got it. Well, that sucks. Nope, hawkers.
That looks like a Kierstead painting up ahead.
Oh, yeah. Old mill.
Mm-hmm. Oh!
What?
I just took a rock right in the neck.
Oh, I heard it, actually.
Oh!
That Rooster?
Yep.
Yeah. Cat trail.
Yeah. Yeah, that would make sense. You went right through that puddle. There's the Rooster. He's wet now. I don't think he saw that.
Oh, no?
No, because he hit it hard.
Jeff,
Yep.
you want Pioneer?
I'll go, whatever, doesn't matter.
Here's mobile.
Yeah, it's 140 something.
$1.40.
Going?
Go wherever you want, that's fine.
Murray, you could read that number when you said 143?
Yeah.
Oh,
I got my glasses on, though.
yeah. I need new glasses. I need glasses that I can use for riding. My progressives just aren't doing it for me.
I use bifocals when I'm riding and progressives when I'm not.
Yeah, I think I need to do the same.
Which points card do you use for here?
Journey. Journey.
Okay. You get 7 cents off if you use Journey.
Oh, Algonquin Road.
I heard rev limiter there.
Yep. That's with slip number 3. Let's try number 1.
Yeah, let's do that.
We're going straight, I guess. Are we going this way? Okay. Okay. How far? Oh.
There's some big dips here.
Yeah. Right through a puddle?
Yeah, well, I thought I was going to lose it.
This is good. I like it.
My feet are getting wet.
Uh-oh. Mine are too, but...
Yeah, but you got the right boots for that.
Yeah. They're starting to leak. I can feel water coming through.
Yeah. I'm glad I'm standing up.
Are you okay? I'm coming back. I'm coming back. Hold on. Shit. Is kickstand down?
No.
Okay. Do you want me to get it?
Got it. Yeah, that's my windshield, and that's the piece that raises and lowers it. I'm okay. This is bent.
Got the rut there, it looks like. Some gravel in the corner here.
Yep. Still digging. Holy shit.
You found all that in the leaf? Wow. It was your back end that slipped there, right?
Yeah. Swung around and then shot me straight ahead. All right.
Okay.
Thanks for the ride, man.
That'll be the title of the next one, eh? It'll be like, the BMW goes down again. No, I won't.